So how good is the water filtration system? If you're going camping and you want to drink from a swamp, and in a survival situation, you could probably drink that water. And if I wasn't fasting, I would drink it. I am fasting at the moment. So look at that difference. Do it. If you're out camping and you're in a survival situation, this is what it's going to be, sorting out the survivor filter. What is it all about? Comes in a nice box. I've taken it out already. And I like the fact that it's a cardboard package. So everything's like kind of good. It's no plastic apart from the actual unit itself. So you've got survivor filter. I'll put it in the bag that you would carry in. It comes with a syringe. That syringe is used to clean the filter itself. So you can actually clean the filter. They offer you a lifetime guarantee with this. So they are putting themselves behind it. So you can see here's a nice unit. You've got a cup that you can use as a drinking cup, and that's where your fluid can come into. I'll show you a quick setup of it. I am going to do it outdoors and show you an actual example. This is just a walkthrough of the item to feel the quality of it. Pump feels nice, solid, can take a bit of abuse. And you've got two options on here for an out on the top and an in on the bottom. So how this works, you get cables with it, well, piping I should call it, and this pipe with a little bung on and the filter that you can put into some source of water. So maybe a natural stream, something like that, and that would go in the bottom of the filter because that's where your in will go in. So in the bottom of the filter, we have the in, which is basically coming from the source of water, and the filter will clean it through here and bring it out of here. And we need to catch it somehow. So we put a pipe on here, just like that. And then you can put that into your cup, which is where you can drink from. Let me quickly just attach this here. And you simply start pumping. Obviously there's no water there, but you can, what the mentality here is, the water will come through the filtration system, go through this 3-stage filtration, 1 stage, 2 stage, 3. What they mean by that is ultra filter, pre-filter, so 0.1 micron ultra filter. So if there's any bacteria in the water, less of it will pass through. I am going to get a microscope, and I'm going to do a full test and check out how much of it actually filters on. So there will be a further follow-up on this. You'll see carbon filter, so it gets rid of any chemicals in the water, and then the internal ultra filter. When you're packing it away, make sure that you take everything apart and shake any loose water out. You don't want to leave water in there to go bad. So that means that it can be packed away and reused for your next trip out. I like the fact that it packs up nicely and the construction feels very good. So you can see like that. Nice construction. Well, I've got some swamp water here, and I've actually looked at that swamp water under a microscope, and I'm going to show you that microscope view right about now. So I've set up the little filter to see how well it performs. We've got the inlet, which will go into the water we want to go in. You'll see that water is quite disgusting. I don't want to spill any of it, but you can see that. That's like proper swamp water. I can see stuff moving in there. And we're going to watch it under the microscope as well. Okay, so let's put that down. I'm going to put this into here. Or there. And then I'm going to put the outlet into this container here. That water that comes out should be crystal clear as I pump it. Oh, does it have to be all the way into the water? Oh, I might just fit a bit of water out. Oh, noob. Okay, 1 minute. So I need to that needs to be fully submerged into the water. So to do that, I'm going to have to take some water out. I'll follow the pot here. Okay, yeah. Let's put some in here. And let's fully submerge that in there. Or maybe let's submerge it into there. Just like that. Oh yeah, I can see. Oh, can you see the water? Let me zoom you in on that. Watch these bubbles there. You'll see the bubbles here. Oh, what's coming out? What is coming out? Let me add a bit more water here. The water coming out looks clean. Let me show you the front view on that. So I'm pumping. You should get clean, drinkable water. And I'm looking at the water coming out. I think it will be. Let me put a bit more in this container here. I think that would be enough there, just to show you. Let's go through that. Okay, so there is the water. There is the water from what is this? So that disgusting water there has become clean, drinkable. Yeah, I have to be brave there. I have to put it under the microscope first to see how good it looks. You have to put it under the microscope to see how good that water looks. Let's go. So microscope, power up there. Okay, I need to get a drop of that water. So I'm going to get a drop of this water. Put it over here. And then we're going to get our microscope. Okay, so it's got to that from that. So you can see that difference there. This is microscope 1000 times microscopic level. So from that to that. And I wonder if, yeah, okay, so the plate that I'm using has got dots on it. Okay, wait, can I do this another way? How about if I do that? Well, it looks cleaner. And in a survival situation, you could probably drink that water. And if I wasn't fasting, I would drink it. I am fasting at the moment. So look at that difference. Do it. If you're out camping and you're in a survival situation, this is what it's going to be, sorting out your water from the muck.